Greetings, students! My name is Dr. Flack and I am your instructor for this course. I am so excited to get to know each and every one of you. I will do my best to watch all of the videos that you upload to this course, and I hope you get to watch mine and learn a little bit about me. I am Dr. Flack, as I mentioned. I teach for the online college, and I'm also the Director of Science for the Metro Detroit campuses as well as for the Jackson campus. I'm involved in instructional design as well, and I help with the Running Start, that's our early college program here at Baker. So I have my hand in a little bit of everything here. I get really excited about science and I get really excited about education, as you guys will come to learn in the course. If you have any questions, I am always open to answering questions either via Canvas message or email. Send me whatever is comfortable for you and I will get to them as soon as I can. My policy is to answer within 24 hours. However, quite often I can get to you within just a couple of hours. The best days to reach me are going to be Mondays and Wednesdays, as well as the weekends, but I will always be available electronically for you. That being said, I want to talk about a couple of things with the course. So in this course, we have some homework assignments and some quizzes, as well as a midterm and practical. I will be getting a video tutorial up to you probably tomorrow, Wednesday at the latest, how to access all assignments and how to submit if you are unsure of doing that. In addition, if you have me for a lecture, I will also be posting weekly lectures of our course content. I'm going to try and upload them via YouTube so you have access to an ADA transcript. That being said, if you have friends taking other courses, please feel free to share my YouTube links across the course and with your friends so you can study and get the material reinforced. I also wanted to let you guys know that even though this is an 8-week course, it's going to be very, very intense because there's a lot of things that we have to get done. I also believe in a work-life balance. I'm a mom and I work a lot, but at the same time, I'm still going to meet my deadlines, and I hope you guys do too. If you run into emergencies, family conflicts, anything of that nature, communication with me is key. If you don't communicate, there's not a lot that I can do. But if you stay on top of it and communicate with me at every turn, I will work with you through any ups and downs that you may have in the course. I'm excited to get this semester kicked off, and I will work on getting things posted to you every single day. I do post a lot, so I recommend you turning settings on so you can have all of the announcements come directly to your email. I will post directions how to do that shortly, and I look forward to meeting each one of you. Have a good semester. Bye, guys.